Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can blur pass only in CapCut PC. Alright, to make a blur to your pass only, you're just going to select your video or image. For example, I'm going to select an image, so the photo with the object, and I'm going to blur on pass only. So I'll go to effect and select body effect, and then select the mask, select pass inside. Add a track just for the duration is same lane with the effect. So you can see the device. Click on the effect. Just for the option right here, rain, and then size, like so. So that's how you can blur right pass only in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.